Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about Revit architecture door design for any wall connection. If you make the any house planning, so how to add the door. So today this session I will discuss about. So let's start this new page. Right now enter the new page and get construction template here. Okay, then let's workspace in architecture. So this is our working area, workspace in Revit architecture, and this is the plan view here. This is floor plan and everything is here available. So let's start how to. First of all, I will get the create wall. So when click the wall and start from wall connection. So first of all, when get the start wall connection is 6000. So here you can see that 6000 in wall, then here the 10,000, then also become 6000. Oh. Here let's again I will go to wall here, then start from and again 6000 and joint here. Now let's go again view. This is view here and enter the 3D view selection. Get this is wall in AutoCAD in Revit architecture here. When I get the apply door, here you can see that door available. When I get apply the door here in this way, if you want to apply the door here this way, when exit right now, this wall has been higher, it is very long this wall. So when I get compress in some distance here, same thing again I will get the compress this wall. Look one, this is here compress for every connection of wall. So let's again I will show you any different wall connection. Start from this point, get start from this point. Just make, and if I want get connection, when I get the door here, then also click exit right now. So click this wall and compress some distance. Here you can see that this is very easy to connect of door and anywhere. If again I will show you the another wall connection, create this joint and start from this one and get again I will show you this one also create, and same thing I get joint here. Now let's again I will show you this particular wall connection here, wall connection. Then also here you can choose from wall. Then I get the distance particular 4000 height, right? Then start from wall with this point and create here, then also create right now. Again I will show you the particular connection and joints. Look at this. When again if I joint anywhere and get connection, so it is joined from here, look like. Then right exit here. If I want get apply the door here, so this one, and also apply the door is this one. There are many different size of door available in here, the larger door and smaller door, so many types of door available. When exit right now, and if I get compress from this wall, so when let's compress here, this point click and joint here. So this is very easy to joint different door connection in Revit architecture. They are the simplify, only select this particular door here and they will apply from easy way on the point. If I want get the distance here, so show the properly distance. If you want to change, so easily you can get the change for door connection. So this is very useful for joint in any 3D door connection in Revit architecture. Basically when we will provide the number of room according to provide and different door connection, and if you give the ground level, boundary level you can create. This time again also use for Revit architecture door connection. So it's a more useful for Revit planning, building planning, architecture planning. So today let's complete this session and thank you.